health benefits of dates and milk. The perfect time to eat. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the health benefits of a unique combination dates and milk. This powerhouse duo not only tastes amazing but also offers numerous health benefits. Additionally, we will explore the best time to consume this nutritious combination. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Health benefits of dates and milk. Dates are a popular fruit known for their natural sweetness and rich nutritional profile. They are a great source of energy, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Enhanced digestion. Dates are rich in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. Improved bone health. The combination of dates and milk provides a good amount of calcium and phosphorus, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Increased energy levels. Dates are high in natural sugars that provide an instant energy boost, while milk provides a sustained energy release due to its protein and carbohydrate content. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidant content in dates help support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Strengthened immune system. Dates contain vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system and protect the body against various diseases and infections. Weight management. Despite their natural sweetness, dates are low in calories and fat. Coupled with the protein and calcium from milk, this combination promotes healthy weight management. Segment 2. The best time to eat dates and milk. While dates and milk can be consumed at any time of the day, choosing the right time can maximize their benefits. Let's explore some optimal timings. 1. Breakfast. Consuming dates and milk in the morning can provide a great energy boost to kickstart your day. The combination of natural sugars, fiber, and protein will keep you feeling full and satisfied. 2. Pre-workout snack. A few dates with a glass of milk make an excellent pre-workout snack. The carbohydrates from dates provide a quick source of energy while the protein in milk helps with muscle recovery. 3. Evening snack. Enjoy dates and milk as an evening snack. This combination will satiate your hunger and provide sustained energy throughout the evening. 4. Bedtime. Consuming dates and milk before bed is a popular choice due to their potential sleep-promoting properties. The natural sugars in dates release slowly throughout the night, ensuring a steady supply of energy and preventing hunger pangs. Conclusion. So there you have it, the health benefits of dates and milk along with the optimal timings to consume this delightful combination. Incorporating dates and milk into your daily routine can improve your digestion, strengthen your bones, boost your energy levels, support heart health, enhance your immune system, and aid in weight management. Remember to choose high-quality dates and opt for low-fat or plant-based milk for an optimal nutritional experience. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Certainly. Here are a few additional benefits of consuming dates and milk. Improved brain function. Dates are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. This, combined with the vitamins and minerals in milk, can support healthy brain function and potentially improve cognitive performance. Healthy skin. Dates contain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and antioxidants, that are beneficial for the skin. They can help combat skin aging, enhance collagen production, and promote a healthy complexion. Milk, on the other hand, contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate the skin and make it smoother and brighter. Supports pregnancy. Dates are often recommended for pregnant women due to their nutritional content. They are a rich source of folate, which is crucial for proper fetal development. Combining dates with milk provides additional vitamins, minerals, and protein that can support a healthy pregnancy and breastfeeding. Heartburn relief. If you suffer from heartburn or acid reflux, consuming dates and milk can help alleviate symptoms. Both ingredients have alkaline properties that can neutralize excess stomach acid and provide relief from discomfort. Boosted iron levels. Dates are an excellent source of iron, which is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the prevention of anemia. If you are iron deficient, incorporating dates and milk into your diet can help boost your iron levels and improve overall energy and vitality. Remember, while dates and milk offer numerous health benefits, It is important to consume them in moderation and consider any specific dietary restrictions or allergies. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet. Enjoy this delicious combination and reap the rewards of its nutritional goodness.